Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive right into the crystal clear waters of Notion and learn how to track habits efficiently using this tool. To start, open your Notion workspace and create a new page. Call it something like Habit Tracker. This is where we'll keep track of all our habits. The reason we do this is to centralize all habit-related data in one easy-to-access place. Now that we've done that, let's create a table. Click on the plus sign, scroll down to Database, and select Table. This will be our main habit tracking framework. This helps us because it allows us to visualize our habits in a structured way, making it easier to keep up with them. Next up, let's customize our table. Add columns for the habit name, frequency, and progress. This is where we'll log our habits and track our progress over time. This is crucial because it allows us to see at a glance how we're doing and what we need to focus on. Now, let's add some habits. Click on New, type in a habit you want to track, and specify its frequency. The reason we do this is to make our tracker actionable. Remember, the goal is to improve your habits, and that starts with listing them out. Finally, at the end of each day, update your progress by ticking off the habits you've completed. This helps us because it gives a sense of accomplishment and encourages consistency. So there it is, your very own habit tracker on Notion. A simple, effective way to keep track of your habits and make strides towards your goals. By following these steps, you can create a personalized system that works for you. Remember, the key to forming good habits is consistency, and this tracker is here to help you with just that. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy habit tracking.